How to troubleshoot common issues with chatbox. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to troubleshoot common issues with chatbox. So here's how you can handle common technical problems in chatbox. First thing, you can go ahead and check your chat status. You can also ask for a screenshot, and along with that you can also use the remote access, or you can restart your chat, or you can completely close the chat box. And when you do that, you can just go ahead and make sure to refresh your application, and once you've done that, you can also go ahead and restart the device at the same time, and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if that's not the case, then you can also try contacting or getting help of an expert and stating about the issue, and they should be able to look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours. If you have unstable or poor connectivity, that can also cause some sort of issues, so you make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. So in this way you can troubleshoot common issues with a chat box. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.